And these lilas are about Prem Lila, the Prem Lila of Radha and Krishna, Prem Srup Sri Krishna, Prema Mai Radha, and the gopis. So the Gitas, the Geets of the Bhagavatam, the Venu Geet, and the Venu Geet, Pranaya Geet, and this Gopi Geet, and Viraha Geet, and then there's Brahmar Geet, and Mahishi Geet. Mahishi Geet is with the Dwarka queens, but we can learn some things about Samanjasa. The queens of Dwarka have what is called Samanjasa Rati. Their Rati is Samanjasa, which means a little bit of selfishness, transcendental desires for my own pleasure. Whereas the gopis in Vrindavan is Samartha, my complete objective, art. My only objective, my only goal completely is Krishna's happiness, Krishna's pleasure, Krishna's satisfaction. So you can appreciate what you're pursuing or appreciate what you're trying to understand by comparing and contrasting. This is a way of understanding and identifying something. You compare the object and contrast the object to other similar objects.